Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have been lately supplying you with a lot of Subaru videos on this Auto Resource YouTube channel. And Subaru boxer engines are famous and known for head gasket leaks, right? There can be leaking of the coolant and there also can be a leak of the engine oil. So when I have been in my local parts supplier store, I went in the section where those head gasket repair chemicals are, and I was surprised how many are there on the shelf. This is what I saw on the shelf in the store, and as you can see, there's a huge selection. And if you are not familiar with these products, or you didn't do your research, you will probably have a hard time to pick up one for your particular repair. So not having experience with those, I asked the manager if he can give me any advice on this issue, which one of these should be the best. And he actually knew. He said immediately, this one is the most favorite, definitely. Not only it has the biggest sales, but also I have to keep on the shelf just empty bottle, because if the product will be on the shelf, it will be stolen very often. So this is what he recommended as a product number one from that entire selection which we saw in this video. I would love to ask you to share your experience if you ever before used one of these things for fixing the head gasket. Please, if you did, share it in the comments below the video. So I repaired head gaskets in the past, but I did it the traditional way while replacing the parts itself, right? I never had any experience with these chemicals, those head gasket sealers. I know personally only one case when my relative used one of these, and I don't know which one from that lineup. He forgot which bottle it was, but he successfully used one of these on the V6 engine, which was completely blown head gasket. The oil was in the coolant and vice versa. He followed directions on the back, right? And that V6 engine lasted for another 2 years until the car was junked. So for that $60 or whatever, he was able to make that car run for another 2 years. And that's all I know about these things. Of course, people say a lot of catastrophic stories that you should not use it because it will damage other stuff and so on. So I basically stayed away from it, and I would love to hear your experience with these products. And that's all from me today. Please make sure you are subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.